This is how to test the Danelec Marine VDR self-test. First, go to menu, start new operational performance test, choose your VDR capsule, fixed or float free. Now testing the audio, press OK and test your VHF2. Okay. Testing 1 2 3 ABC 1 2 1 2 testing VHF number 2. And after testing, best result passed. Okay, and we'll proceed to number 1 VHF primary. Press OK. Result is passed. Press OK. Test optimization done. Now proceeding to the operational performance test, the self-test of the VDR. It will take a time. Okay, after self-test, the result is this. Check everything is okay. Vessel name, fix, continue, next. 47 hours from the previous report. Next. Passed. Next. This is the equipment and the bridge, the audios. VHF. Click OK to view the voice record that we done in VHF back. Next, AIS, vessels information, autopilot. Next.